Hello, Langga. Today is your 9th month or 9th weeks. And your mommy's gonna have her Canadian citizenship oath taking.
Welcome to your virtual ceremony. My name is Natalie and I'm the Pacific Manila.
Okay, so it's February 18 and among scheduled check-ups today. This is gonna be the first time nga makita ka na mo. And Nipo is ready. Ning weather karon. Grabe katugnaw sa gawas. Ka-ice pa sa gawas. Usog pagid kay hangin. Last night day na ay ko and snowstorm. Kanya ang tingog sa wind kanang murag sakay kag airplane. Nga na gid. Grabe ako sog. Let's go. Saka pa.
Let's go eat. I'm hungry. But you want chicken or fries? Right. How is your nails again? Wait, let's show this to mommy. Wait.
Are you tired?
I'm hungry.
Okay. It's almost ready. Take the fries.
No.
Oh, here. Here. No chicken?
I thought you love fries, Lara.
Is it properly uniform?
What's that? That's not for kids, I think. Come here, baby. Hold my hand.
I put them back.
Yeah, that's good. Very good. Very good. Ice cream, yeah.
Yummy ice cream.
Yummy, yummy.
I have ice cream at home.
Yeah.
It's a unicorn one.
It's a unicorn ice cream? Walang pa anong karga.
Kani ba, murag sat man dito Paris, ana nga movie. Unya. Basta gi-hijack ang train. Unya, iyahang fiancé na dito sa sulod. Unya, giignan sa siyang
Sige. Good suggestion, babe. For Irving Nature Park to